Remove the camshaft retainer. Remove the camshaft. And check the valve stem for any sort of bends and for free movement in the valve guide. If any leakage is found, then clean and carry out the same check again. Check the valve spring free length. The service limit should be 32.8 mm. Lastly, check the camshaft bearing for any abnormal noise.